Hey mamas, today's video is going to be my 4-month postpartum update, a little bit of a chit chat and some cleaning motivation to go with it. Thank you to CVS for partnering with me on today's video. So happy to have you guys here. I have to tell you guys, I'm so happy that I'm finally getting to this video. The holidays are literally around the corner. It's about to get really crazy around here with Halloween and Thanksgiving and Christmas and then New Year's, and then we are off on a vacation, which I'm so excited to film for you guys. I'm going to be taking you along on our journey on our fun family vacation. Before I dive into literally the funnest time of the year, I wanted to make sure I got this postpartum health and wellness journey update out for you guys. If you've seen my previous videos within the past 3 to 4 months since I've had Tizeo, I am on a health and wellness journey. I am constantly changing things to make myself healthier, more energetic, and just overall be healthier after giving birth. Giving birth at almost 40 years old was a lot. It took a toll on my body. It's been really difficult, to say the least. I've got hair loss and other things going on that, people don't really tell you about. Getting enough sleep has been my biggest struggle by far. So I have some relaxing tools and products that I've gotten from CVS that I really want to share with you guys. As a mom of 6, including a 4-month-old baby, my mind is constantly racing. So I really need some tools to help me relax and decompress and that can help me focus. My Pure Spa Deluxe Essential Oil Diffuser is just perfect for the task. I bring this little baby around in my bedroom, in the baby's room, in the kitchen, and even by my bath when I take a bath. Drop about 3 drops of Radiance Lavender Essential Oil that I get at CVS as well. It really makes the air smell nice and fresh. Lavender oil has known to promote hair growth, improve sleep. It has wound healing properties, headache relief, anxiety and stress relief, as well as antioxidant properties. When I smell the lavender in the air, it just promotes good vibes and it helps me relax, stay calm, and stay focused, and helps me get things done around the house. It really does promote a productive environment, and it helps me sleep. I put this in my room and turn it on about 5 minutes before I go to sleep. So after my shower, I come in the room and the room just feels so relaxing, helps me sleep quicker, and helps me sleep longer. Another thing that I've been trying to do that really has helped my overall wellness is to mind dump. Write down everything that's in my head, whether it be something I have to do, something I want to do, a goal, something I want to start eating, something I want to do with the kids. I just mind dump everything into a notebook, and that translates into a to-do list the next morning. Yes, really is an amazing resource for me throughout my health and wellness journey. It's located within a short distance in my neighborhood, so I don't have to travel too far, which has become really difficult with a little one in tow. CVS really has an amazing selection of products to help with sleep, from supplements to relaxation devices and more. I have popped a link in the description box to buy, and you can find out more about all of my favorite wellness products. Thank you so much to CVS for sponsoring today's video and helping me on my health and wellness journey postpartum. Now, as far as how I'm doing postpartum wise, I am 4 months out. Things are just getting better by the day. I am going through a really rough period with a lot of hair loss. It's not fun. I really need to get to the salon and get my roots done and get a cut, but I don't want to do that until my hair has run its course and it's done falling out. It's not cute, y'all. It's not cute, but I cannot wait to be able to get back into the salon and get myself together again. I miss my waxing appointments. I miss my nail appointments. I miss getting my hair done and just kind of feeling more like myself. Slowly but surely, I am definitely getting there. If you guys are watching and you're new, I had a really rough time postpartum. The first week was absolutely terrible. I had a bad reaction to the epidural, which caused me to have severe neck pain and headaches. It was really traumatic for me. I've talked about it in previous videos. I'll put some links down below if you're curious about my story, but things have definitely been getting a lot better. I really cannot wait to get back into the gym. I am 2 months out from my son turning 6 months, where he could start going to the kids club. I just cannot wait to go back with my best friend and get back in shape and start feeling even more like myself again. I was filming this, I was thinking to myself, like, wow, I have not done a cleaning video in like forever, and I didn't think cleaning videos were for me, but hey, I'm able to get so much done and make content for you guys at the same time. And I think this is kind of cool that I can give you some cleaning motivation and also chit chat about what's going on in my life or my kids' lives. It's always good to have someone to clean with or give you that motivation or just kind of give you that girl time that you may need during the day. A lot of stay-at-home moms, don't really get out much, unfortunately, because our kids are young. So this is a cool way for us to kind of connect and keep you motivated and busy, and also get some girl time in as well. So what do you guys think? Do you like these type of videos, these cleaning motivation with some chit chat on the top? Let me know in the comments, or if there's any other type of videos that you want to see in the future. I think that my next task will be my kids' closets, which is a big task. But if you guys need some motivation and some organization tips for your kids' closets, maybe I'll film that and we'll chit chat about how I keep everything organized. Some days it is an absolute disaster, but I go in every couple weeks and just do a little bit of an overhaul, take an hour and just hustle and get it done. So maybe I will do that. I really think that having a system in your kids' closets is beneficial and easier for you to maintain, easier for them to maintain, and to pick their clothes in the morning without it being a complete disaster. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out the link for CVS for all the health and wellness products down below. And I would love to have you subscribe. I've got lots of yummy fall meals coming up and lots of fun videos for the holiday season. Subscribe, join our family for the holiday season. I cannot wait to share more videos with you all. And leave a comment if you are new. I'd love to meet you.